Hello everybody. I think this. Hi. Yeah. It's there. Yes, sorry I'm 5 minutes late. There was some problem with my Wi-Fi, but I'm here. Hi everybody. Hi. Nirmit and Saurabh. Hi Ruel. Oh, Dipali. What's up? What's up? Ruel, please. By the way, the song is getting a great response, so congratulations to you. Hi Harkan. Hi. I just want people to come in and then probably we'll start with the questions. Hi Akshita. Hi Ranjan. Hi. Hello Kajal. Natasha. Hi. I miss you so much. Hi Aniket. Thank you PUBG Online. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so I've got a beautiful view, guys. You can't miss this. This is like, I'm so grateful for this. Here. It's gorgeous out there. Yeah. Okay, so we can start with the questions. And I've always, like, people have always told me that I never go live, so I just wanted to go live and interact with you guys. So yeah, shoot. Okay, so everybody's thanks for the comment. Kshitij, have you done something to your hair? No, I just shampooed my hair. And I just finished my yoga class, so it's a bit messy. I'll just step out for you guys. Okay. Yes. Which skincare product do I use? I usually just stick to ghar ke nuske, to be very honest. My mom always makes this besan pack with almonds and kesar, so I just put that. I stay away from chemical products. That is the only thing that I do. So, yeah. Hello everybody. Hi. Hi. Thank you, Yash. Thank you. I'm good, Pant. I'm just making use of the time right now. I know we all are going through a really, really tough time, but making the most out of it, catching up on all the hobbies and learning something new every day, and that is what I'm doing. Vikram, hi. So the next is of course going to be Angrezi. We're going to re-release it hopefully after the lockdown, and whenever the situation gets better, of course that is the priority right now. Yeah, after that I've shot for Shiddat as well, and yeah, I hope that one also gets released this year. So yeah, the next one is Shiddat. Hi Jugnu, hi. Hello everybody, hi. Thank you so much, Anil, thank you so much. So Angrezi was released just for a day, and then of course because of the scenario we had to, there was lockdown, so maybe we'll re-release it, so don't worry. Hi Archit. Thank you so much, Ansh. Thank you. Amy is asking what is my favorite food. What is my favorite food? Rasgullas? Like if I want to cheat, then why not cheat properly? Or otherwise, I am a big dosa fan. So sambar and dosa. Like I can have it all the 3 times in the day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Sambar, dosa. Thank you so much, Dheeraj. Thank you. Thank you, Kritika. Thanks, Abhishek. Thank you so much. Like Supri is such a special character for me as well. So, thank you. Hello from here. Hello, Mauritius. Hope things are better there. Everybody's asking what's my favorite food, what's my favorite dish. So I just said, yeah, South Indian food is my favorite. That's my favorite cuisine. Hi Vikram. Hi Asir. How are you doing? It's been quite a while. Hello Kavya. Hi Palla. Hi. Oh, so my mom is here. Hi mom. Yeah, so my family is there in Delhi and I'm here in Mumbai. So yeah. Has lockdown forced me to cook? Yes, it has. Like not exactly cook, but I baked a cake the other day. So yeah, it's forcing me to do quite a few things. So yeah, I baked a cake. It looked good. I posted a picture. It tasted also nice. So it wasn't like यार दिखने में कमाल और खाने में tasted nice. Okay, so everybody's just saying hi and sending their love to all the love to you guys. Thank you so much. Lubna, I miss you too. Thank you for supporting me, and I miss Indonesia so much. Thank you for all the love, guys. Okay, so what are my favorite activities during self quarantine? So I've learned piano a bit. I'm catching up on my tap dancing. The other day I baked, as I told you. I think I'm gonna learn singing as well. So virtual classes. I'm not stepping out. And yeah, I think I'm gonna learn quite a few things. I'm reading a lot. I'm writing, and yeah, and I'm doing a lot of yoga. So yes, you can do everything at your own house, guys. Like you don't need to step out for anything. Please stay at home. मास्क का है यार, घर पे मास्क लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है, घर पे हूँ. Okay, just so okay. Thank you so much. What's my nickname? So some people call me my mom calls me Radhu, my dad calls me Radhe, my friends call me Radhe, and heroine or yeah, that's like embarrassing. Or Sanya calls me Badku. So yeah, quite a few nicknames I have. Thank you so much. Thank you all of you guys. Ramayan or Mahabharat, what's my favorite? I think Ramayan. I think because I used to watch a lot of it during my school time. I think Cartoon Network पे आता था animated version. Mahabharat वो लोग दिखाते नहीं थे. So Mahabharat महाभारत I've read it in school, but animated version मुझे रामायण का बहुत याद है, so I think that's why. गुजराती medium आएगी क्या? Jaydeep is asking. Please contact Dinu. Just yeah, send him your suggestions. Why not? Hello from Indonesia. Hello Indonesia. Hi. Thank you so much, Shakti and Ranveer. Thank you. So, this is okay. What is the best project I've done so far? I think the most special project will have to be Patakha, because I don't know. I think it was my first release. Maybe that's why. I think the first release is really, really special. Yeah, Patakha. And in terms of the character, it was the hardest character to let go. So, like, it stayed with me for quite a while. Yeah. Badki's thank you guys. Thank you everybody. Love from Bangladesh. Thank you. You can't hear me? Wait. I'll just go in with you guys. I hope this is better. Whew. I hope this is better, probably. Yeah. I'm so sorry. Probably the voice got... Okay. Can you guys hear me now? Am I audible now? Not audible. Can you hear me now, guys? Just thumbs up or... Okay, you want me to repeat the answer? Okay. So, as I said, like, Badki was the closest character to my heart. It was a character that I resonated with a lot and is the hardest to let go of. So, yeah. Hi Pintu, hi Firangi, Mala, hi Suraj. Thank you so much Anirudh, thank you. मोहित राज इतनी क्यूटनेस कहाँ से है? मैं बचपन से कमा लो, मैं क्या बोलूं तुम्हारा. Thank you so much Sparks_Logan. Hi, any other questions that you have? I would love to answer them. Okay, so professional questions have been asked. Okay. Okay, hi Sagar. Hello. So do tell me what you want to see next. Like if you want to, like I got a lot of messages to do a cover. I'm not that really good on piano. I'm still learning, but I would love to do another cover. So do suggest me some songs. Thank you so much, Subhata. Thank you. Hi Vrinda. What am I craving for? I'm craving for Golgappas, yaar. I'm craving for Delhi ki chaat. Sev puri. Sundar Nagar ki sev puri. Nagpal ke chole bhature. That is what I'm craving for. Thank you, Samant. Thank you so much. Jitendra has asked me कि बड़की का कुछ डायलॉग बोल दो यार प्लीज. भड़की का भड़की से लेकर क्या कर रही है? हाँ, क्या करने लग रही है? बाप खाने की? Sorry, yeah, there you go. Do I play video games? I love FIFA. So I do have an Xbox at home. So FIFA. Pitampura or Mumbai? Mumbai. I think Mumbai is home for me. So yes, Mumbai. I love Mumbai. Who's my favorite actor from Bollywood? I think I love Ranveer's acting, and of course Alia is there, Vidya ma'am, and Tabu ma'am. They all are an inspiration. Ranveer is so good. So yeah, all of those guys. Which is my favorite sport? Swimming, because I'm playing a swimmer in my next one, Shiddat. So yeah. Akram, then please send a video of yours. I would love to see it. See you dance on Nachannu Ji Karda. And thank you so much for the love, guys. Nachannu Ji Karda, like I keep seeing all your videos, and they all are so cute. And thank you so much for giving so much love to that song. We had a lot of fun shooting that one. Hi Sandhya. Hi. Do I regret doing any project? No, I don't regret anything in life. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, hello. South Africa. Love is coming from South Africa. So अभिषेक पूछ रहे हैं कि आपका सफ़र कैसा रहा टेलीविज़न से लेके बॉलीवुड तक. I think it was a beautiful journey. I am still growing, still learning something new every day. But I think at every stage I've learned something. बहुत ग्रो की हूँ. अकेले बॉम्बे आके आप आई थिंक जब इंसान अकेले रहने लगता है तभी बहुत एज अ पर्सन ग्रो कर जाता है. सो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल सफ़र रहा है अभी तक. एक्टिंग ने बहुत कुछ दिया है मुझे, आप लोगों के प्यार ने बहुत कुछ दिया है. तो मैं दिल से आप सबको शुक्रिया करना चाहती हूँ. अंशिका, I love you. By the way, I was 5 minutes late because of Anshika. Just letting you know. And there was a problem with the Wi-Fi, but Anshika. Do I play guitar? I do play a bit of ukulele. I have to learn guitar. Okay, the questions are popping in. Thank you so much. Thank you. Who's my favorite singer? Who's my favorite singer? I think I love music composed by A.R. Rahman and Jasleen Royal. I think they both are amazing. So songs sung by them. So they're my favorite. Shanti! Thank you! I love you. Thank you. I miss you so much, yeah. Post more recipes. Okay. Gustav! What about Angrezi mediums release now? So mostly Angrezi like we will re-release it once the situation gets better. So yeah. Sanya Malhotra is here. Miss Malhotra. Hi, Chutku. I'm noticing you, Chutku. Stop writing, please. Notice me. By the way, the coffee was pathetic. So Sanya sent me a picture of some Dalgona coffee, I don't know, and she sent me this YouTube link, and I made the coffee, and it tasted really, really bad. So thanks, Sanya. Thank you, everybody. Thanks, Sony. Okay, so do let me know what you guys are doing in the quarantine, and which television shows you're watching, or which movies are you watching. I'm also catching up on all the missed out movies and shows. Which series am I watching? I think I just finished. So I had missed out on Parasite. I just saw Parasite last night. What a film! So if you haven't seen it, do watch it. It's a great film. So, अरे सोमा जी, hello, क्या हाल चाल? So Soma did our hi Soma. Sorry, I think 2-3 comments were. I miss you guys. I really miss our Pataka team. Yeah. Like we were like a family in that project, and really miss all you guys. Okay, so you guys are watching Money Heist. I need to watch Money Heist. I've heard a lot of good things about it. Hi Neha. So my brother is here. Do you understand Korean? Yes, try me. He keeps irritating me like how. अरे अपना डिपर भी यहीं पे है. Hello डिपर, क्या हाल चाल? Mr. Sunil Grover is here. Hello. And my Surya is here. Hi Surya, I miss you so much. Surya is Abhimanyu. Yeah. And I keep watching your workout videos, Abhimanyu. Like the workout that you post on your story every day. So I try and follow that. So it's really helpful to keep posting that. So my brother is asking, how about it? Just emotional blackmailing me because I'm in Bombay and they are in Delhi. So they keep emotional blackmailing me every single day, and they're like, they keep giving me those guilt trips कि परिवार से ऊपर है तुम्हें सब कुछ and all of that. So yeah, I listen to it every single time. That's my brother, ladies and gentlemen. Hi Akshay, hi, hello. What am I doing? I just finished my yoga, and probably I'll just have my dinner and watch some movie, or yeah, listen to some songs, read. I don't know. I haven't planned my night yet. पांडे अनुराग सिंह, एक क्वेश्चन भी आंसर किया मैंने. आपका क्वेश्चन देखा नहीं, आप प्लीज दोबारा भेज दीजिए. हेलो. अपने डिपर जी पूछ रहे हैं कि हाउ डू यू मैनेज टू एक्ट सो वेल. सर आपके साथ एक्टिंग की है पटाखा में, कुछ तो संगत का असर पड़ेगा ना. मतलब सर. अभिमन्यु इज सेइंग कि कुछ घर का खाना भेजूं. नहीं, अभी कुछ भी घर से मत निकल ना, किसी को वेट. घर में रहते हैं. मेरे को रेसिपी भेजना, मैं बना लूंगी, देख लूंगी. मतलब अगर बना सकती, इजी स्टफ. बट थैंक यू, हाउ स्वीट ऑफ यू. Do I have a boyfriend? Am I dating anybody? I'm single. I'm dating my work right now. Thank you guys. Like, really hope to see your work in some crime or thriller someday. I would love to do a crime series or a thriller. Like, I'm all up for it. So, hope soon. Sunny Case, my other co-actor, is here. So, hi Sunny. How are you? By the way, like Sunny was there with me in Shiddat, and he's a great actor. You need to watch him in Shiddat. He's fabulous. So, yeah. और सनी मैंने इनकी तारीफ कर दी तो मेरा पैसे वैसे बैंक अकाउंट में थोड़े भिजवा देना. Hello. Okay. Can you share some experience from Pataka? Yes, of course. Like one thing is that हम लोग हिंदी में बात नहीं करते थे. हम लोग आई थिंक उसी डायलेक्ट में बात करते थे कि खाना भी लगा है तो विशाल सर, मैं और सान्या तीनों उसी लैंग्वेज में बात करते थे. एंड क्रू भी ऐसे ही बात करता था. तो हम बोलते थे अगर खाने लगा तो खाने में क्या लगा है, आजा बैठ जा, ऐसे करके बात करते थे. सो एंड आई थिंक हर रोज़ मैं, सान्या एंड विशाल जी मेक श्योर करते थे कि हम एक मील साथ में खा रहे हैं. ये विशाल जी का आइडिया था कि यू नो एक मील हमें साथ में खाना चाहिए तो आपकी बॉन्डिंग ना एज अ फैमिली हो जाती है. तो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल दिन थे जो हमने पूरी टीम के साथ बिताए, विशाल जी के साथ बिताए, एंड इतना सीखा. सो या देयर यू गो. वड़ा पाव, पाव भाजी. Okay. I just tried to message Sunny. Thank you. All the love from March ko dard nahi hota. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's on Netflix if you haven't seen it. Do watch it. So when did I start learning piano? I think I learned like when I posted Air Delay, I was learning the song. I think एक दो दिन से सीख रही थी. And yeah, I think I just saw it on YouTube and just played it. I still need to learn it properly, so thank you. Thank you, Iprima D'Souza. Thank you so much. Thank you, it means a lot. Thank you. Love from Pakistan. Saw my song. Nachanu ji karda. Thank you so much. Please make your videos. I'll keep posting it. I love it. I love all your videos. So do keep making the videos and tagging me. So I'll post it. Thank you. सुंदरता का राज ये है कि आप खुश रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो, क्या पता कल होगा. वाह. चलिए, I'll take last 2 questions and then we'll do this I think super soon again. So how much time did I train myself for Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota? Harshvardhan is asking this question. I think we trained for good 9 to 10 months, and we used to train for 4-5 hours every day. So I started from the scratch, and like I didn't know anything about action. So yeah, started from the bottom. Now we're here. Okay. So yeah, we learned. So 9-10 months, and we didn't use any body double in the film. So yeah, no wires, no body double. खुद की मेहनत है सबकी. समोसा और वड़ा. समोसा, तीखी चटनी. मराठी में बोलो कुछ. काय झाला? वेरी सिंपल, वेरी बेसिक. डूब बनना चाहिए मुझे. शाहिद कपूर कैसे लगता है आपको? आई थिंक ही इज अ ब्रिलियंट एक्टर, such a fine actor, and I loved his work. And Kabir Singh, so yeah, would love to work with him like anytime soon. So okay, last question, because you guys are like, let me see which one should I. Okay, I'll try to be more active. We'll try to interact with you guys more. So yeah, thank you so much. So this is the last question that I'm gonna take, and it will have to be, okay you guys are just, which actor you would like to work with? So I would love to work with Ranveer or Ranveer, Alia, Anushka, and yeah, all these girls, yeah, Tabu ma'am or Vidya ma'am, would love to work with them. So yeah, thank you so much guys, it was so wonderful catching up with you guys. We'll do this again super soon, and yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you guys soon.